Hello students. Uh, in today's class we'll discuss about the Security and Exchange Board of India. Security Exchange Board of India is also called as SEBI. This board was established in the year 1988 and it regulates the functions of securities market. That means all the functions is going to monitor as well as regulate by the Security Exchange Board of India. So here in simple, all the stock exchanges are comes under the Security Exchange Board of India. This is a board which is controlled all the stock exchanges in our country. So I'll give an example. So in our country, Reserve Bank of India is going to monitor all the banks or financial institutions in our country. Same as it is, Security Exchange Board of India is going to control all the stock exchange in our country. Initially, SEBI was not able to exercise complete control over the stock market transactions. May 1992, SEBI was granted legal status. This act may be called the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. It extends to the whole of India. It shall be deemed to have come into force on the 30th day of January 1992. So usually a Security Exchange Board of India is a board which is controlled all the stock exchanges in our country, which was established in the year 1988 and was granted legal status in the year 1992. That means completely controlled on the stock exchanges in our country in the year 1992. This is the picture of a building of Security Exchange Board of India, and its headquarter is in Mumbai, that is in the business district of Bandra, Kurla complex in Mumbai. The next topic under SEBI is reasons for establishment. That means why Security Exchange Board of India was established in our country. Due to the malpractices, the customers started losing confidence and faith in the stock exchange. So Government of India decided to set up an agency or regulatory body known as the Security Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. So because of the malpractices done by the stock exchanges, many people or investors were losing their hope to invest in a securities market. For that purpose, to control the stock exchange properly, to maintain a stock exchange properly, to regulate the stock exchanges properly, Government of India started a board called Security Exchange Board of India. So this is the reason for establishment of Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, and the next concept is a role of SEBI. So SEBI was set up with the main purpose of keeping a check on malpractices. It was set up to meet the needs of three groups. So the first one is issuers. For issuers, it provides a marketplace in which they can raise finance fairly and easily. That means the people who want a finance, they can issue the securities to the public and collect maximum finance for their business purpose. So a person who want finance, they can issue their securities to the general public and collect finance. These people are called as issuers. Then second one, investors. For investors, it provides protection and supply of accurate and correct information. So investors means a person who are going to invest into different securities. So for those investors, they need a security. They need a protection. So this Security Exchange Board of India is going to provide them the protection by informing the accurate data based on their securities, demand and supply. And the third one, intermediaries. For intermediaries, it provides a competitive professional market. So here intermediaries are the brokers who work on behalf of their clients, and they bridge the gap between the investors and the stock market as well as the enterprises. So all these three people plays a very important role under the Security Exchange Board of India, and Security Exchange Board of India plays a very important role on these three intermediaries, investors and issuers. So here we have discussed about the introduction, establishment purpose and the role of Security Exchange Board of India. Thank you for listening. Be safe, stay in home, take care of your parents, take care of your society.